Michael, Justin Ward here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to inquire about this beautiful 2500 HD. Look, it's got brand new Michelin tires, as you can see. This truck's ready, loaded, as you can see on the internet, 70,000 miles. It is your LT, 4-door, leather. It's red, right, and ready. It's even got the trailer brakes, fold-down back seat. Haul anything you want for the big trailers. Use this truck to make you some money. We can get you a lifetime warranty on this truck. And Michael, look, call me, come take it for a demo. Got the upgraded Bose stereo system, it's ready today. Take it for a demo, make sure you like it. 205-380-6250 is where you reach me at, get your appointment set for you to get this truck out of here and in your driveway. I'm located at 1595 Montgomery Highway right here in the beautiful city of Hoover, Alabama. I'm Justin Ward and I'm here to help you. Call me. Let's take it for a ride today. 205-380-6250. Michael, I'm Justin Ward at Tameron Hyundai, and I'll see you soon.